guys, this is Leah with Leah Noel Design Co. and I am a decorative furniture painter and a brand ambassador for Redesign with Prima. And today I'm going to do a demo with Prima's Decor Waxes. These decor waxes are my favorite waxes from Redesign with Prima because the pigment is thick and heavy, and you're gonna see just how easy it is to use when I apply it to the footboard of this bed. It's only gonna take me like a couple minutes to just really make these details pop. So first of all, I've already done the ceiling on this bed. It has 2 coats of gator hide, which is a polyacrylic type product, and this is the last step I'm taking. This is an oil-based wax, and it's super permanent. So once I put it on, I'm not getting it off. I do like to just have a set of baby wipes handy while I do this in case I get some in a spot that I don't really want it, and then I can wipe it off right away. But if I let it set, it's gonna stay permanently. So I wanna make sure that I wipe it if I get it in a spot that I don't want. So let's get started. I'm just gonna open it up, and you can use gloves if you're not comfortable using your fingers. In fact, on the back of the label, it recommends that you do. I like to use my finger because I want to feel it going onto the product. You can also apply it with a brush. It's just up to you. Okay, so I already did it right here. You can see the difference. And I'm just gonna go around my detailing, and I just wanna kind of give you a feel for how easy this really is. So I'm just highlighting my detail. And the pigment's nice and heavy here. I'm just following the line of the bed. And I'm gonna go ahead and just get the bottom here so that you can really see the full effect of this. I'm also gonna hit, oh, I got somewhere I didn't want it. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. Like I said, I already sealed this bed, so I do have the opportunity to wipe it off. And this is the last step you want to do. We're gonna move right into the middle here. All right, let's get that center. When you see the center, this is gonna make the center pop so much more. These are all natural to the piece, wood carvings. Original, I should say. I kind of just wanna feather it on with my finger. I don't wanna make it too much right here. I can always add more. All right, let's just finish this edge here. And we've, it's been about 5 minutes and I'm almost done. And you can just see how much of a difference it's making. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can see here what it looks like. And there's the back of the bed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and get it staged for you so that you can see the whole thing come together. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspires you to just use a little decor wax to make your details pop on your furniture. Have a good one. Thank you.